Have you ever experienced that annoying, ringing, buzzing, or whooshing sound in your ear? That is called tinnitus, and it can be frustrating. But here's the twist. Did you know that incorporating yerba mate and fiber into your diet might support ear health? Yerba mate, this incredible drink, is packed with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest it may improve blood circulation, which potentially benefit those dealing with tinnitus. Plus, it gives you that nice energy boost. Adding more fiber to your diet, think fruits, veggie, or whole grain, can help improve your overall circulation and reduce inflammation. Keeping your blood sugar level stable can also play a role in managing tinnitus symptoms. So, if you're dealing with these pesky sounds in your ears, consider sipping on some yerba mate and loading up on fiber. Your body will love you for this.